Hi friends, today I will tell you that how can we set iPhone 7 ringtones on our phone. And it is not same ringtone to all, but we can change ringtone. First we have to go to Play Store. And then we have to type top i7 ringtones. Then it will show you here top phone 7 phone ringtones. Then you have to install it and then open it. Then continue. There are many ringtones. Then that see default we can set to any contact. If we want to set, see, I want to set to Pinky. See, I can set. She see ringtone is set. I can set another ringtone. See this type marimba. These ads are like this only. We can set to bridge. See, we can set here or Manan. Oh, sorry, Nishtha. See, it will show you it here. See, it's here. I've set it. Then we can, if we want to delete it, we can delete it. We do not want to ringtone deleted from SD card. If we don't want to set it, then we can go to contacts and then we can change our ringtone. So thank you friends, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.